Alright, so we're doing a little slushy springtime skiing here in Maine. So it was like a spring, but it kind of feels like summer's like never gonna get here, right? So I thought I'd do a little throwback. Summertime, I Spy DIY. Alright, so I got this awesome little footstool at a thrift store. It was about $12 or so, but it has this little rip. So what do you do when you got a rip in a footstool? Well, you get a Jeep patch, yeah, a Jeep patch, and you just put it right on here, right? And then no one will know, and it's cool. But here's a way to not buy a new footstool and repurpose an old, cool footstool. All right, so let's go ahead and put this on with super glue. I have an episode coming up soon about super glue too. Imagine that. Okay, just a little bit of super glue. I think it's the kind you can iron on, but I don't know how ironing a stool would work. One time at my waitress job in Aspen, I was feeling really lazy and I'd already put on my, you know, like white shirt and my black pants, but my white shirt was really wrinkled. And so what did I do? Well, I ironed the shirt while I was wearing it. And that did not turn out so well. I had a huge like triangle burn on my back. Oh my God. All right, anyway, okay, I got the glue on here on my Jeep patch, and here we go. I'm so excited to have a Jeep patch on my stool. Okay. Yep, this is the highlight of my day. I love doing this stuff. All right. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use this now. How cool is this? And yeah, you think that ironing the shirt story is bad, wait till you see how I had to use super glue in the recent past. It's gonna involve some blood. Anyway, talk to you soon.